Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is nnshapumba, aka Nay the Hustler. So guys, in today's video we are doing our own DIY do-it-yourself a face mask, only using 3 ingredients. But before we get into it, kindly like this video and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and also leave a comment pretty please towards the end of this video. I love hearing from you guys. So like I said, we're doing our own DIY face mask. We're going to use Rooibos tea, we're going to use a lemon and also an egg. So it's just 3 ingredients. If you want to know how you can create your own face mask, stay tuned and I will show you exactly how you can do your own a face mask. So I tried this out, it really worked for me. I loved how it left my skin feeling, and I thought, why don't I just share this with my subscribers and see what they think of it. And also, if you do try it out, please do come back and let me know what you think of it. So yeah guys, let's get into it. Let me show you guys how to do your own face mask. It is so easy, I promise. So guys, here are your ingredients. First of all, your Rooibos tea. You're also going to need your lemon. If you know me, you should know that I love lemons. And last but not least, your egg. We're also going to need a small container, just a small bowl where you can mix everything all together. I'm actually going to start with my egg because we need to separate the egg white from the egg yolk. I didn't know how to do this, guys. I had to watch YouTube in order for me to learn how to separate egg white from the egg yolk. And yeah, it's so easy. Anyone can do it. So we're going to put away the egg white because we only need the egg yolk. So if you are someone like me who doesn't like the smell of raw eggs, you shouldn't worry about it because the tea and the lemon actually eliminates the smell of the egg. And yeah, also just remember to have your Rooibos tea before you create this face mask because you need a used tea bag. So just have a cup of Rooibos and then after that use the tea bag to create your own face mask. And last but not least, we're going to need a lemon. I haven't tried this with lemon juice, so I don't even think I'm gonna try it with the lemon juice because I love my lemon. And also remember, lemons have got a lot of vitamin. It's high in vitamin C, which is also good for your skin. So I also don't know what to call this. I'm calling it a face mask, but my sister thinks it's a face scrub. I don't know these things. I'm not high on makeup and all of those things. Mina nje ngigeza nge-sunlight. I use sunlight to wash my face. So yeah. And then you just mix it all together. Mix it. It's so easy, guys. As you can see, anyone can do this. 3 normal ingredients and you're ready to have your face mask. after applying it on your face, leave it to dry. Hey guys, so after 30 minutes I rinsed mine off, but you can keep it on until for like 15 minutes. It should be fine, but I like to keep mine longer. And then yeah, after that you just rinse it off and obviously wipe your face like I'm doing. I really love how you feel afterwards, like the feeling of the skin. I think I made it too bright. I feel so good. I feel so good. My skin feels like it is breathing. I really enjoy this face mask. I hope you do try it out and do let me know what you think about it, because honestly you are gonna love it because I love it. I'm kidding, but do let me know what you think of it. So guys, don't forget to check my description box. I do leave informative information in my description box, things like the links to my I almost said YouTube channel, the links to my social media, and some things that I might have forgotten to mention in this video, and also yeah, a whole lot of information. And yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, like I mentioned before. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, please. It's at Naomi_Yomi. Kindly follow my businesses as well. It's at Yomi Productions on Instagram. That's the marketing and promotion company page. And it's at Yomi's Closet. That's where we sell pre-loved and vintage clothing. Your support will be highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.